In this video, you will learn simple English through a real airport story. Audio is also available in Kannada, Hindi, and Telugu. Let's get started. Oh my goodness, Leo. I cannot see our bags anywhere. Let us wait a few more minutes. They might still be on their way. Everyone else has already collected their luggage. I understand. This is becoming rather frustrating. My aunt's adobo recipe was in that bag. The handwritten one. Maya, please take a breath. It is only a piece of paper. You do not understand? She passed away last year. That is all I have left of her. All right. I apologize. Let us find the lost and found desk. Do you believe we can actually recover it? I am confident that we will. Let us go and ask that officer over there. Excuse me, sir. Um, Good evening. Good evening. How may I assist you? Yes. We seem to have lost our luggage. You are referring to lost luggage. Are you? Yes. Exactly. Lost luggage. You will need to visit the airline office. Proceed straight down this corridor. Straight down. And then what should we do? At the blue information sign, take a left turn. After approximately 50 meters, you will find the baggage services counter. Blue sign, left turn 50 meters. Baggage services counter. Understood. That is correct. Thank you very much, sir. We truly appreciate your assistance. Were you able to follow all of that? Straight ahead and then a left turn at the sign. I believe I have it. Correct. Blue sign, left turn 50 meters. The way he spoke, however, it was incredibly rapid. To be fair, that was his normal pace of speaking. Back in Manila, people speak at a much more relaxed tempo. You will adapt to it soon enough. It is only our first day here. At least we still have our passports and each other. You always know exactly what to say. That is why you married me. Remember? Come on. Let us go and find that counter. Leo, look over there. The blue sign. Yes, I see it. Information with the arrow pointing left. So we turn left at this junction. That is exactly what the officer instructed. It is noticeably quieter in this section. That is because we are in the administrative wing now. Baggage services counter 4. We have found it and they are still open. It is nearly 9:15 p.m. We are fortunate. Hello. Excuse me. May we have a moment of your time? Good evening. How may I assist you? We arrived on flight 789 from Manila. Our luggage never appeared on the carousel. I understand. May I see your baggage claim tags? Of course. Here they are. May 789 001 and May 789 002. Allow me to check the system for you. I see the issue now. Your bags were placed on the wrong connecting flight. They have been sent to Amsterdam. Instead of London, Amsterdam. Our bags are in Amsterdam. Yes, but please do not worry. They will arrive on the next flight tomorrow morning. We will have them delivered to your address by noon tomorrow. We are staying at 22 Park Road, apartment 4B. Is there anything valuable or fragile inside? Just a handwritten recipe. It holds significant sentimental value. I will make a note of that. We will take extra care with it. Thank you. We truly appreciate your assistance. I cannot believe how cold it is outside. Here, take my jacket. You are shivering. Thank you. This feels like a blanket. Our bags managed to see Amsterdam before we did. They are having a better vacation than we are. How are we getting to Park Road? The taxi rank is just over there. Leo. Yes. We made it through day 1. We did. And we still have our passports. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this airport English conversation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Don't miss our upcoming English conversation videos and episode 2, where Maya and Leo continue their journey in London. See you in the next video. Bye.